Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I have another Cybertruck that we just finished wrapping in a colorway that we've never done before. Take a look at the Tech Supergloss Pearl White. So we've done gloss white out, we've done plenty of satin whites. Check out Pearl White. Now, when you get right into it, and it might be a little hard to see, it's a very sunny day here in LA, it's kind of hard to capture this, but when you take a look at the film, it actually has that pearlescence that you would expect out of a pearl color. This is definitely a little bit more unique than the super gloss whiteout, but at the end of the day, it looks great on a Cybertruck. I was a little concerned in the beginning. I don't know if pearl white works on a Cybertruck, but you know what? I stand corrected. I actually think it works out great. So we wrapped the whole exterior, as you can see, using this film, and then we went ahead and changed out the wheels and tires. Now, if you follow our channel, and if you've been watching a lot of our recent videos, you know we're talking about upsizing. The Tesla Cybertruck comes with a 20-inch wheel and tire option. We've been typically sizing up to 22-inch, and most popular, the 24-inch size fitment. But how about downsizing all the way down to an 18-inch? These are our fully forged CT7 wheels in 18-inch, and they're fitted with a really special tire by our friends at Nuys. It's called the Nuys Recon Grappler. They also make the 24-inch tire, by the way, for us. And the size is 295/70/18. This is a cool look. This is a little bit more like off-road, maybe a little bit of a chunkier tire, definitely a much larger sidewall on the tire. And you know what? This is gonna ride more comfortable than the 20-inch from Tesla or any of the upsizes, because when you downsize on the wheel, the tire sidewall, as you can see, gets much larger, and that's gonna provide a much more comfortable ride experience. And if you're looking for that, then 18-inch is definitely your option. If you're gonna be taking your truck a little bit more off-road for performance, 18-inch is your option. And that's really why we made it. For those of you out there that wanna go ahead and take your trucks out in the sand, off-road, it's best to actually downsize to this 18-inch wheel and tire package. So what do you guys think? Please share some comments below. First, I want to hear thoughts on the pearl white versus gloss white versus satin white, and then of course the wheel and tire package. Do you like staying in 20-inch, sizing up, or sizing down?